Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to allow or block third-party cookies in Opera on Windows 11 or 10 PC. For this, first open Opera browser on your Windows PC, then click on this one menu icon in the top left corner and select Settings in the drop-down menu. In the Opera settings, select Basic in the left sidebar. On the right, scroll down to this one Privacy and Security section and then click on this one Third Party Cookies option. Here you will see by default Opera blocks cookies in incognito mode. In case you want to allow third party cookies in every Windows, I mean normal as well as incognito mode, select this one option, allow third party cookies. And in case you want to block third party cookies in Opera in normal as well as private window, select this one option, block third party cookies. And I will suggest you to enable this one toggle switch. Send a do not track request with your browsing traffic. Just enable this one toggle switch and then click on this one confirm button. And after this one settings has been changed, close the Opera browser and open it to apply the changes.